Good morning to all my awesome friends. We're in Wonderland with Alice, as you can see. Oh my gosh, she's a determined young lady. She's going to make it to those parties if it's the last thing she does. She heard it's party time here in Alice in Wonderland, and Alice is going to make sure she's invited. No way is she going to be left out. Determined does she work her way through all these beautiful meadows here in Wonderland. Is it not beautiful? Oh, yes, it is. Look at all the beautiful trees all about, and of course, those mountains. Oh my gosh, look at the sky, so blue and beautiful. Alice isn't going to let this slow her down. She's looking for those parties she's heard of. Now she's coming to where it gets a little harder to make it through all the trees in the forest and all the underbrush. This isn't going to keep Alice away from parties. She is a party animal, and she's very determined. And you know, my daughter is just as determined to help her mother have one of the best Alice in Wonderland months ever. She has got on her hot glue gun and she's ready to do some DIY projects. Now, she worked on the first one for quite some time, as you're going to see all the detailed work that she put. Is it not beautiful? From the very top to the very bottom, all the detail work she put in there. Look at that hat. Is it not beautiful? And all the ribbons and bows and cards and flowers and butterflies. Oh, wasn't it beautiful? She'd worked so hard. We all are mad here. We've all went down that rabbit hole, and we're all as crazy as loons. But isn't it beautiful? Oh, I thought she did a wonderful job. What do you think? I liked how everything turned out. It was just so beautiful. And you can have this be taller or shorter because she just stacked the boxes on top of each other. And look at all the detail work with the keys and Alice and the watches. Everything is so beautiful. And of course, she didn't forget the red roses. She always is such a perfectionist, my daughter. I thought she did a wonderful, wonderful job. Let me know what you think in the comments section. She worked very hard. And then, of course, Wonderland right on there. And the little bunny charm. Isn't it cute? Oh, I couldn't believe how beautiful this turned out. As you know, I'm not a DIYer, but I guess my daughter is, because I don't think I've seen anything prettier centerpiece than this. But I just wanted to give you a sneak peek at what she did. Now, she did a lot more than the 3 projects we're going to share with you today, but I wanted you to see what she did do. I thought it looked so pretty, and I enjoyed looking at it so. I couldn't believe how wonderful everything was. That little tea set on top, so perfectly done, even with the playing cards there. And of course, we're all mad here. Oh, I did love it. Let me know what you thought. All those beautiful roses all about and the cards. And there's the rabbit, and he's got his watches. I'm late, I'm late. I'm late for a very important date. Oh my gosh, it was so beautifully done. And I thought we should have maybe taken it apart a little bit to show how versatile, how you can change it tall and shorter. I really, really was impressed. Alice in Wonderland, oh, isn't it beautiful? And you know, we all love Alice in Wonderland, so that's why we're doing a whole month of it. Well, don't forget, leave me some comments about these DIY projects. She also did some napkin rings. Did they not turn out beautiful? Some of them she did with roses, and some she just covered her center. And then, of course, she did these beautiful flowers also. Potted them up, and had them painted red, or at least started to until the Queen showed up. Leave me a comment.